No problems, just situations.
Hey guys, John with Tech Reviews 919, where there's no problems, just situations. Today I'm just going to start something off a little different. I'm going to probably have some more videos like this. Today I'm going to be talking about the Amazon Assistant. I'm going to be doing probably a series of videos like this on rebate services and programs and loyalty programs. Things that I had never used in the past because I thought it was a waste of time. But it's not. You actually save money, earn money on different programs. But today we're going to be talking about Amazon Assistant. It's a fairly new one that I've been using. I'm still learning it, but I decided to start with this one because it actually earned me $10 on Amazon. You basically can go to Amazon for this address here, or I believe Amazon Assistant. There you go. Amazon.com/assistant, and it'll come up with this screen right here. I had uninstalled mine so you can see it, but this was what will show up. Of course, it only works with Chrome, I understand, but a lot of people do use Chrome. It's my preferred browser right now. You will basically just install it, add to Chrome, add extension, and it'll link up. Just close that out, and the little icon up here will show up. And then your installation is complete. So what it is, obviously, is, like I said, an add-on. You click this. You don't even have to go to be on the Amazon website. Matter of fact, let me go to just go to Google. Oop, yeah, you see I can spell, right? But you just go right here and do a lot of different things. So get started. Well, this is the first time I actually use it. You can go through it. It'll teach you everything. I'm going to skip it because I had done all of this already. So you can use your wish list. You can do your shopping list. If you use Amazon, you know what those are. You go to home. It'll show you the deal of the day, discounts, and all that kind of good stuff. You can search from here. You can have all your account information here, today's deals, all kinds of good stuff. Like I said, this is a new one for me, so I don't know all the services, but I decided to show you this one because I actually earned a $10 credit on Amazon on certain items. It does expire. I forget how many days it is. I have 8 days to use it. And then you can go to shop now and it'll bring you. So you can do all kinds of stuff, 4K Fire Stick. And it'll bring you to that site. And here it shows $40. Yep, it's on sale again. So you can go here. It automatically, I accepted it and it's on my account. So when I do go, let's say I want to do this 4K Fire Stick. I can add it to the cart. Get your service plan if you want. Adapters. Click continue. And go to my cart. I already got some in there. I'm going to remove it. Just see. That's the regular one. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this. Delete that. And I'll proceed to checkout. And it depends on how much you use with Amazon. I have an Amazon credit card, and it's actually great if you don't have one. I don't agree with credit cards, but I use this one just to earn money. And you can see I've already earned $43.76 by using that card. All you gotta do is pay it right back if you got the money. it's automatically applying my gift card, but I don't want to use the gift card, which I earned from a previous endeavor. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into change, and you may not see all this because I'll be blurring it out. I will uncheck this so I can just use a card, and then I'll click continue. Then obviously I do not currently have Prime, but you will get automatically free shipping with Prime anyway. But this is eligible, but you have to click it if you don't, unless you want it faster. And here I go. You see my $10 credit, shipping's gone, and you got $2 in taxes. So I'm going to get a 4K Fire Stick for $32.01 total. Now I'm kind of disappointed because the other day I was able to get one for $20 when they were running the refurbished sale, but the sale ran out. My mistake. That's why you need to jump on these sales. It was a really good deal. I don't mind doing refurbished because it's still gonna honor a warranty, or you can always add a warranty. So I'm not worried about it if I'm buying it from Amazon. I wouldn't do refurbished on certain items, but that is it. Now, that said, this is, I'm still learning it. Like I said, you can go in here and do all kinds of good stuff. It'll be up here at all times, and you don't even have to leave this little window. And like I said, it brings everything together. If you use Amazon a lot, this is a great tool. And like I said, I have not even touched everything you can do with it. It'll give you updates. It'll send you different stuff. You can control your list, like I said. Amazon Music, warehouse deals. Never looked at this before, but I guess it's kind of pretty cool. I have to check that out. I find too much stuff at once and then end up wanting to spend money that I don't have yet. So, but that's a quick video. Keep an eye out for future videos such as this. And if you would, go to my channel and subscribe, like this video. This is my channel here. If you're watching it elsewhere on Facebook, but it'll primarily be on YouTube anyway. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I look forward to doing more videos like this. Send me any questions you have. Make comments. I answer all my comments and questions on YouTube. So until next time, have a good day. Thank you.
No problems, just situations.